guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, if you've seen my last video, I used the microfiber sponge and I'm using it today as well. It was pretty good when I actually washed it and took out all the kind of products on it, and as you can see, it's all clean. Not unlike the other sponges, when you actually clean it, there's still a lot of product in there, and I try to clean it, but sometimes it's so hard to clean it. I don't know what you guys use when you clean your sponges, but I'm using Neutrogena, kind of the bar soap. I like bar soap, so anyway, I use that to kind of clean this. If you have any kind of cleaners, sponge cleaners that you'd like to share, sound your comments down below so other people will be able to go ahead and use your technique. I'm just using a regular soap. I can buy whatever soap and I can just clean it. This one's pretty good. It's already wet, so I already wet it, and I'm going to use for today my Born This Way foundation. So this is it. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my face first because it's super dry. I went ahead and washed my face, took a shower and whatnot. So my face is really oily, so at the end of the day it's kind of like so hard to kind of remove the oil. I normally will just pat it with tissue. All right, I don't put it over here because my forehead and over here my T-zone is super oily. If you guys have any suggestions to get rid of that freaking oil in your face, I don't know, please do share it. And I'm going to use once again the Illuminating Face Primer by e.l.f. There you go. It is pretty good. I'm just gonna put it over here. There you go. Awesome. Okay, let it dry for a little bit. And as they were saying, you have to put it on your hand or not directly to the sponge. So I'm just putting like this amount for now. All right, and we're going to use Born This Way as well, concealer to conceal all the whatever things we need to conceal. Go. I've seen everybody doing that, so I'm just gonna make your nose kind of tiny. Alright, so normally I will use my air sponge, but I really love this product. I swear it smells good, it's easy to use, so I guess for my skin probably that's the best that I can use right now. I do have Master Fix by Maybelline, and I want to go ahead and try this one more time because last time I tried it, it left like a white kind of thing on my face. I don't know if I'm using it incorrectly. Please let me know. And let's go ahead and just put a little bit. Alright, so after that I'm going to go ahead and pull out my Morphe 35OM. And this is what I have over here. As you can see, I got some favorites over here. It's all messed up already. And I'm going to use this product over here and just put it over by your crease, and later on we'll go ahead and blend it out. Alright, so after that color, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this color over here. I really like those kind of brick color. Let's pack all the colors over there. Get it all in there, and then we'll just blend it out shortly. Alrighty, so after that color, we're gonna go ahead and get a little bit more deeper, and we're gonna go with this color over here. Keep adding colors after colors after color. Brown after brown after brown. Now that we got that brick color, we're gonna go ahead and dive into one last color that I wanted to use, which is ta-da! And I'm going to use my Morphe E17. This is how it looks like. Really love this. And then we'll just go ahead and just blend it out like that. And just blend it out. There you go. And then same thing right over here. So after doing that, I'm going to go ahead and get my 35W Morphe. And we are going to grab this color over here. This is from my Supernatural Monster Guide brush. See that? I don't know, for some reason the color won't come off. There you go. So we're just gonna go ahead and use this color over here. So now that we're done with that, we're going back to our Morphe 350M. And then we're going back to this color over here to kind of just retouch a little bit, okay? So now that we are actually done with this color, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and go down to our waterline over here. I'm still going to use my 35OM Morphe on my waterline. So I'm going to use my Morphe M326. I can never memorize it, but I know how it looks like. It's very tiny little brush over here. I'm going to use this color over here. So I'm just gonna apply it on the outer waterline of my eye. We're gonna use this brush over here. Okay, this is icing brush. I got it from, I don't know, it's a long time ago at Claire's. It's still really good. I've been using this for years. I've been using it for years and hasn't given up on me. And then we're gonna go ahead and grab a different color, which is gonna be this color over here. Okay, so we're gonna do this color over here. I'm just gonna put it on top of the first color. And then we're gonna go ahead and blend it out again. And we're going back to that brush again. And we're going to add this red color over here at the bottom. All right. We're just gonna go ahead and just do that over there like that. I'm going to go ahead and put color on my waterline. Alright guys, so I already did it. Looks very, very good right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera because it will take forever and then I will be back. Alright, so right now I'm done with my eyes. I'm going to go ahead and just add a little bit of kind of shimmer here and there. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and use this one for a little bit of shimmer over here. And this is not called Poera or Foera, it's Farah. So somebody corrected me and thank you so much, I really appreciate it. It's called Farah. So I am going to go ahead and just use the same brush. I've already cleaned it up. So I'm going to just grab a little bit. This is a little, what I should say, very creamy. You have to use like wet brush to actually activate the thing. So I've already wet my brush. Okay, not too wet though, and then just kind of dab some. Oh god, this is like super. See what happens? I wetted it and then it got all of it. I don't want so much of that. Alright, just a little bit. I don't want too much. And then you're gonna go ahead and just put it on over here on the corner of your eye. Okay, you're just gonna put it in the corner of your eye. There you go. Just put it a little bit. Again, Farah is water activated eyeshadow. It's very creamy, but you have to use water to actually activate it. I think I'm pretty much good with this. I am done with my eyes. So we're gonna go ahead and contour, and I'm using, once again, it became my favorite now. It is Smashbox. So thank you so much, Mary, for giving me this precious gift along with the Morphe lipsticks she got for me. Thank you. So to contour, I'm going to use my trusty little brush. I haven't bought any brushes. Like I said, I'm in a budget, so I will choose my battles. I will choose my battles, but if you guys want to support me, send me some products that I can go ahead and try for you guys, or send me some suggestions of what product I'll be able to use. I'm trying to keep the products as affordable as possible because a lot of our products right now, and I would say this is the most expensive that I got as a concealer and foundation. All right, so after that, I think I've contoured. So after the contour my cheeks, I'm gonna go ahead and just do it on my nose. I'll be very careful because I don't want my nose to be crooked. So I'm gonna do it like this first over here. Alright, so after adding the contour over there, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use, I like a little color, I haven't changed anything, and I'm gonna use my contour palette, which is the True Complexion, okay, light to medium, and I'm going to use the one in the middle over here. As a contour, it's kind of like the contour part over here, it's kind of like a blush as well, so I just use both of them, but I'm just using the contour part of it. I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight, which is I'm gonna use this one over here. This is a very nice highlighter. See that? I used to not highlight my face because I'm used to them kind of like matte looking. Gotten used to it thanks to a lot of our very good makeup artists. You guys are my inspiration. So we're down to our lips, so I'm going to use a lip liner to kind of contour it. It's LA Girl lip liner. Pretty cool, not expensive. Alright, so I had the lip liner ready, and we're going to use, this is another gift from Mary. It's another Morphe, and this is called the Rebound. I really like the casing. See that one? Very cute. Okay, so then I'm going to put on top of it the Megalast Liquid Catsuit by Wet n Wild. This is how it looks like. It will look shiny, but it's not shiny. But it's not wet. So we're just gonna dry it, and that should be it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes off camera. Apparently, if you've seen the other video that I have, which is I did lash extension, and this is what's left. I'm sorry, Ruby, I ruined your masterpiece. It's super high maintenance. I can't deal with it. So this is what happens. I didn't know, but Don't get me wrong, you did good. It's just that not for me. So I'm going to go ahead and put my eyelashes off camera, and I will be back, so don't go away. So if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you do have any comments and suggestions, put it down on the comment section down below. Also share this video if you do like it, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And until my next video, I will see you again soon. Bye!